What is up, YouTube? Today we'll be doing an oil change, replacing the rear shocks, and you guessed it, taking out the interior. All right, so for the oil canister, there's a couple things here. There is a seal that sits in right here. So then it will seal it so there's no leaking there. And then you want to go ahead and set this spring in. And then also this oil filter holder, basically. If you push it down, it'll sit right on that spring. So then the oil filter will be preloaded. And then go ahead and set that oil filter in there. So you can see the rubber seal is just sitting on the outside there. Go ahead and replace that and install the new oil filter. Now check this out. This has definitely got its money worth. We're installing some brand new shocks there. It's looking really good.
That's comfortable.
Currently taking out the seats here. Got the rear panel there.
Yeah, he was explaining to me.
Rear panel's out, rear seats are out.
It's the engine crankshaft has a front seal, and then that seals, which is standard because I think I've had it set for
Seal up on the back on.
What I didn't notice until I started taking the panels apart is these doors are half doors. This is why the panels come apart in two pieces. I did not realize this, but this little piece right here has a little light underneath it, which is pretty cool. Check that out. This flexible driver was essential for us because the angle with the windshield and how close the screws were to the windshield, you couldn't use a normal screwdriver. So this saved me a lot of time for unscrewing screws. Now I'm showing you all these pictures of the screws, one, to see how difficult the locations are, but two, for me, so I can actually document and find where these screws go later when I have to install it again. Now I do have a container where I have every screw in a specific location, so it's a little bit more organized, but still it's a lot easier to have pictures and see exactly where the screws go. Sweet. All right, so we finally got the interior out. Everything's laid out exactly how it is in the vehicle. We got the rear seats, the back panel, the upper headliners, driver's seat. Pretty worn out here, a little sad. Side panel, we don't have a lower driver's side panel, so we're gonna have to figure that out. It's got a special piece here, and it also has this like little leather compartment so you can put stuff inside there. Upper dash, It's looking pretty good. Spare bones in here. No seats. No panels. Nothing in the rear.